Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all great. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a presentation by using PowerPoint program. As you see, it is at chapter 6 in your books and it's about how to make a presentation. Here we go to the detail of this program in the book. First one, we talk about the interface of PowerPoint. After that, creating first project and using template. After that, creating photo album. So we start our program. So we're gonna open the program. You come to start PowerPoint, double click on it, and you should click on the blank presentation. Here you see this is your PowerPoint program. So I wanna explain each parts of this program as an interface. So here we have save button. This save button, when you finish your presentation, you should click on it to save it your project. After that, we have this ribbon icons, which is started from file, and after that, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, and so on. When we click on each of them, some other sub icons will come. For example, I click on home, the clipboard icons is come. After that, the slide icons, the font, paragraph, and so on. And here it is your page which you use to present something on it. For example, we open just one page. Here the number of the pages is shown. For example, the first page is this. You see the first one is about the title. You can add title for your page. For example, I click on it. You can type something. I love school. Okay. After that, you can write something in detail in this part according to your presentation. So this icon is a button which show your presentation how does it look like. For example, click on it. It's like that. Okay. So we want to increase the number of pages or slides. There's a slide. Click on home and click on the new slide. If you click on this here, just another slide increase. But if you click on the new slide here, you can choose any slide you want according to your presentation. You can choose it. For example, I choose this slide. You see it has two parts here and one part here. Okay. Now I want to add a picture for my project. For example, I come to the second slide. You can click on this, which is picture, or click on insert and come to picture and choose the picture inside your computer. You should already rearrange the pictures in a folder. For example, I have some pictures of Duoc City. I click on it, I bring the picture. So this is the picture. You see, you can make it bigger and move it where you want according to your presentation. Here you can write Duoc as a title. You can write Duoc City. You can add something else for here about the writing. For example, I click on this A and double click on this place and drag and drop. You can add something. I love my city. Okay, you can write I love my city. After that, I want to add some pictures for other slides, like a presentation. I can cancel this. How to cancel any slide what you don't want? Right click on it and delete slide. Okay. Now I want to add another slide. So for this slide, I bring another picture Okay, and you can bring also some other pictures. Insert picture and this. Rearrange according to your design. Now I want to change the color of the writing. Select all of them or click on any place in that of this and Control A. I select all of them and I come to this icon. Choose any color you want. I choose this color. You can make it bold and increase the font. You can use this or you can use these two icons. This is for make it bigger, this is for make it smaller, as you see. It's good. Now I want any student to make a presentation for me. Choose a title. For example, in this presentation I talk about the my city. You can choose any title you want. So second one, we continue our presentation. I bring another picture for her. For example, you can write something else as an explanation, or you can bring this, make it small, and bring it in this side. Change the picture to here, explain about this pictures or anything detailed about the work. You can write something like that, color it, make it small. It's good. Okay. Now I want to look at my sliders. For example, you can change this also. Okay. I make the three and I made these 4 sliders. Now I want to look at my presentation. We come to this icon, as you see, slideshow, and look at your presentation. You should click on the scroll of the left hand side. Okay. So I am waiting for your homework to do a presentation for me, and send it to me. So some other icons I want to explain. For example, these icons have many shapes you can use for your presentation. For example, I use this, double click on it. Here you can change the color inside of it, and this is for the border of the picture. This is the border of the picture. And here shape effects, you can change the effects of the shape. For example, making something to have a shadow. Okay, now I want to also make some thickness for the border. Click on it, come to weight. Okay, it is good. Now bring this one, make it a little bit small. Okay, bring this one to the shapes. Now you see it is at the back of the shape. You should click on the shape, right click also, and send to back. Now you see it is on the shape. Okay, here you can bring some pictures of the school here, or you can here you can bring some pictures of the school. So according to your presentation, you can handle your slides. I want to talk about the design. This is for changing the background of your presentation. For example, if you click on this, the background will be like that. If you click on this, the background it will be like that. But I want to tell you, for example, if you click on if you right click on this, you have these two things. First one is apply to all slides. It means all slides get this background. But if you want to just one slide to get this background, you should click on this, apply to select slide. I apply to the selected slide, and things changed according to your design. Okay, so the second slide is not changed because we didn't change the background for it. Now we come to design. For example, I want to this background or another background you want. You know about it. For example, this background is nice. Click on it. So once you click on it, all the slides get the same background. Okay. So it's about the work, and you should rearrange your pictures according to the background. I change it to white because of the background of it is a dark. It should be a light. It is nice like that. As you see, you can click on this also, come down, click on other slides. Also you can add more slides, no problem, any according to your presentation. How many slides do you need, you can use it. So let me check your books. As you see, we talk about the interface of PowerPoint, the creating first project, we make a projects also, and we using templates and creating photo albums. Now let's check. This is the interface. You should check your books. Okay. Now I want to save this project. We come to save. Choose any place you want. For example, I choose desktop. Name your project. My city. And the file is PowerPoint presentation. Save it. Now if you look at your desktop, you can see this file and you can open anytime you want. This is your file, PowerPoint file presentation. Double click on it, you can open it. Now I want to talk about the template in PowerPoint. We come to the file, new, and come to the sample of the templates, anything you want. For example, I choose this one. Your sliders is gonna be shown like that. Add some slides else. Okay. Here is about the title, as we mentioned. Here you can write something in detail. Also, in other slides you can bring pictures, anything you want, and add the title, so you can get benefit from the template, sample template, which is ready, or you can do by yourself a new slides and a new presentation. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice time.